Let's start with an Excel demo. How many times have you guys got into a situation where you have valuable information as a part of printed format and you wished that you could get it into Excel so that you could have run quick analysis on that, right? So let's see how we are solving it now with this new feature, which is insert data from picture. You open Excel, in the contextual command bar, you say insert data from picture, and this is what you get. You click on it. So this feature does majority of the heavy lifting in a very intelligent way and gets this data to you. So again, the bummer was earlier the demo didn't work. This time it worked super beautifully. We were supposed to see some low confidence entries which you could have used to highlight. Then you could have changed it. Let's say I make Australia as Australia. You could have made those changes, right? And once you make those changes that are reflected in the preview, in one click you can just insert it, right? Pretty cool, because a lot of time you have data in printouts. Thank you so much. Thank you for the encouragement. Really appreciate that. And once the data is in Excel, you know there are a bunch of things you can do. Remove unwanted rows. You want to run a quick analysis to see which country fetches the greatest revenue. Just sort them. You know United States is the one. You can run quick analysis to see what are the total number of units sold. If you see the top bar, it says, it gives you these quick analysis. You can, the sum, the average, the count, numerical count, maximum, and things like that, so that you don't have to type in these formulas, right? Because that's going to be cumbersome on mobile. Like Alberto was mentioning, these are small features that actually build mobile habits, and this is kind of one. With that, let me move to another cool feature that we're proud of, that we believe will make you more effective as a presenter, right? So as a presenter, you would want to detach from your laptop, you would want to engage with your audience, right? So I opened this presentation. I'm gonna just present it, and this is what you get, right? You can completely control the PowerPoint presentation from your mobile with all animations and things like that, right? What you can also do is, you have a presenter view, which Alberto was talking about, which has your speaker notes for your reference. What you can also do in here is get to important parts of the slide which you think need attention. While you're talking about numbers, you can also make ink marks to highlight things that you want people to see. And last but not the least, you can actually also use your phone as a laser pointer. So you don't need a clicker or a laser pointer as a separate thing. So everything in your companion, the companion that's already with you, all you need is a cloud-connected file that you can have on your phone, and rest just works for you. Pretty cool, right? Thank you. With that, let's talk about some of these collaboration features. Someone mentioned. So how about, more often than not, what we normally do is we work together as a team on a document, right? There are different sections that are filled by different people. There are so many people who help in authoring. There are even more people who help in reviewing. So an example of a document, which let's say me and my team were kind of working on, and this is a document I was reading on a desktop or a Mac. When I open it in Word, when I open it in mobile, it shows me, welcome back, pick up from where you left. So it actually allows me to resume reading where I left, so that I don't have to find that information. Second, when I'm reading a document, I see some of the comments already placed in there. Because I'm reviewing it, it's good for me to see the comments that are given on this document. A single tap on it brings in the comments pane. Now you can actually, in a very mobile-friendly way, swipe in to see all the comments. Now coming to a feature that we were talking about. Now, while I was reviewing it, I believe the data here has to be rectified once. So what I can do is I can just start a new comment and at mention Deborah, so pretty cool people picker. I haven't even started typing anything and it gives me the list of colleagues who I work with. I can add mention Deborah and just ask a question. Maybe, can you maybe check this? So what happens in this case is a notification actually goes to Deborah right away as an email notification right now. In future we have plans to enable mobile notifications, right? So it goes to Deborah, who can actually make a change. So my colleague Deborah is sitting there. She's just acting on the notification right now, and we'll see the complete flow kind of working. Just be with me, thank you. Yeah, so this is the notification that we get. Click on the notification. In a single click, you will not, Megan, I'll not just be able to open the document, but it will also take me exactly to the place where the comment was made, right? So this was the comment I made. Can you check this? And Deborah just replied, done. We just want to have shorter conversations on mobile. And the other cool feature is that while I'm reviewing, right, if you look on the top left, which says 2 people, so Deborah is co-authoring this document along with me right now. And if you see, pretty cool real-time typing is something that you can see before we jump, so that I always see what is the latest information, even when multiple people are co-authoring a document. Pretty cool, guys. So this was about collab. And then with that, I'd want to go to one more feature that's pretty interesting. And for that, I just need to switch. So how about reading long documents on mobile, right? That can be solved. But there are a lot of people who like listening to podcasts. So why not have an ability to listen to these documents? Let's see how this works. So I can invoke the palette. I have a read aloud mode.
Seattle, Washington. Proposal summary. SailSure will employ a team of experts in the various aspects of sailboat repair to provide repair services in our repair facility in South Seattle or on-site at...
So you can not only read the document, but you can actually skip paragraphs using these navigation points.
Emergency repair crew will consist of experts in marine electronics, sail and fabric maintenance, marine plumbing,
Yeah, so just to give you an idea, from tomorrow onwards, you can actually listen to your documents while you are driving, similar to the way you do with your podcast.
Is the picture-to-text feature coming to Word, too?
Yes, very soon. Why not?
With it?
Like after Excel. Excel will be the first one, and then we'll be rolling it out to the other apps.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Excel is coming very soon. Yeah, then it will come for Word and PowerPoint as well.
This is not an Intune session, but we just wanted to do a quick call out in terms of the fact that Intune managed mobile apps. There's a really tight integration with Intune, and there's a lot of capabilities in terms of security, manageability, and data protection that we get. And this is just a list of some of the ones that could be relevant.